It's always been you. Since the first day I laid my eyes on you in January 2013, I was in the gym hall at our high school when I noticed a radiant woman skipping past me. Yes, skipping. On February 22nd, 2013, I decided to take a chance and send you a message on Twitter with little expectation because you were the most gorgeous girl in the world. Why would you ever want to talk to me? Just 2 weeks later, on March 7th, I asked you to be my girlfriend, and now here we stand. But I didn't fall in love with you because you said yes. I fell in love with you because of everything you were, everything you are, and everything you will become.
Watching Kevin and Francesca together is like watching two people who were always meant to find each other. They complement each other in the most beautiful ways. Kevin's calm strength and Francesca's vibrant spirit create a balance that is inspiring and heartwarming.
Kevin, for the first time in my life and from the moment we met, you have shown me what it feels like for love to search for me back. A love that is reciprocated, unwavering, and constant. A man who is both my protector and my peace, who is strong yet loves me gently.
Oh my goodness. You look gorgeous, Bella.
We were walking with a group of friends and we saw Francesca and her friends. To be funny, we started yelling at Francesca saying our friend thinks you're cute, but we were talking about our other friend. While we were laughing, instead of looking at him, Francesca had her eyes locked on Kevin. After we walked past, Kevin turned to us and said how beautiful he thought she was. He slid into her DMs, and soon after, the rest was history. So yes, without our amazing matchmaker skills, we wouldn't be celebrating this beautiful day today.
But in all seriousness, that's why they've been together for over a decade. They fall in love with each other and with life more and more every single day. The love that they radiate makes it hard for the people around them not to fall in love with the world the way that they do. Together, Francesca and Kevin are two halves of the same whole, perfectly and harmoniously in balance.
Over the past couple of years, we've faced some difficult times as a family, and as we both know, these moments are inevitable. They come and they go. Some days are especially hard, but in my moments of reflection, I realized something. This, us, is exactly where I want to be, taking on every punch life throws our way with you in my corner. And if someone asked me, how do you know you truly love someone? I'd say this: it's easy to find someone to share the highs of your life with. The hard part is finding someone who will sit with you in the deepest, darkest pit and help you climb out of it to see the sunrise of a new day, and maybe take a couple hundred photos of it on the way out.
You have essence that is indescribable. I've never been sure of what it was exactly that made me fall in love with you, whether it's your relentless commitment, your ability to somehow always make heavy moments feel lighter, your attention to detail, your genuine sense of confidence, or the way you see life with an open mind. What I am sure of is that it would be impossible and quite honestly unfair to narrow down such an important human being and beautiful soul into one mere thing that makes them lovable.
I admire the way you feel so deeply, the way you honor every emotion. You've taught me how to harness my own feelings and to practice a stillness I never knew before you. Wherever I go, you're the home I will always come back to. But when I say I love you, it's my way of reminding you of this day and of these promises we've made. And I'll end with this: I loved you the day I met you, I loved you today, and I will love you for the rest of my life.
Please welcome Kevin and Francesca Calamari.
I think the purest form of love is when two people make each other love themselves more. So thank you for showing me that I am worthy of a love that is healthy and a life that radiates happiness. To my dearest friend, my now husband, I vow to care about everything, and that as long as we are together, your life will never go unnoticed. I vow that as long as we exist, you will always have someone who's proud of you and wholeheartedly supports you. I vow to love every version of you, who you once were, the person you are today, and who you are yet to become. Finally, I vow to love you endlessly, not just until death, but long after. I chose you 12 years ago on March 7th, 2013. I choose you today. I'll choose you again tomorrow. And when this life is over, I will look for you and love you in the next.
Hi guys. Kevin, do you take Francesca to be your wife, your best friend, your soulmate?
I do.
I do.
For the first time as husband and wife, you may kiss.